Hi and welcome back at Eduaihub. As you guys know, in this rapidly evolving digital age, businesses and brands are constantly seeking innovative ways to make an impact and stand out from the crowd. An AI powerful tool that has transformed various industries, and now it is revolutionizing logo creation. In this video, we are going to create beautiful and stunning logos of using AI. If you are not familiar with AI, you can watch my previous videos. Let's not waste any time and get right into the video. Now you head over to Leonardo AI. Don't worry if you are not familiar with the interface. I'll explain everything in a second. Go to the Chrome browser and search Leonardo AI. Click on the first website, then click on create an account. Continue with Google and create your free account. So as you'll create an account and enter this website, you will get 150 free credits, and I'll show you how you can spend these. If you want to generate mind-blowing logo, then you have to write good prompt for the logo using your brand power to get more unique and personalized output. You need to give a more specific prompt with creative inputs. Well, don't panic. You don't have to squeeze your brains. There's an easy way to. There's another AI tool that will give you creative ideas and prompts for your logo, and that will be personalized for your brand. I'll show you how to use that. So just click the link below this video and it will take you to Gravity, right? This is the site that's going to help us get logo ID ready for free. Create account. Now go to images and click on logo design ideas. Now here just type the name of your brand, then a few lines about your business here, and click create content. As you can see, Gravity Right has generated a bunch of logo ideas. These are pretty good. Okay, let's try these ideas and see how our logo comes out. Just copy any idea. Go back to Leonardo, paste it. Here now let it generate it. It will take a few seconds, and there is your logo. Now make sure you try out these ideas too, so you'll have more options to choose from. Alright, I'm gonna select this one. Looks great, doesn't it? To download it. The logo will be downloaded to your computer. Let's have a look at a logo. Looks good, but we can make it better in terms of quality. Right now this is in JPG format. Now to change this into a high quality image, we might need this in SVG format. Now we are going to convert this into a high quality logo without spending any money. Let's go to Vectorizer. This tool can convert our JPG logo into high quality SVG format. You can edit on any software like Photoshop, Illustrator. You can click the download button and you will get a new logo. That's it guys, we have an incredible logo created just by using AI and for free. I hope you like this video, so comment the next video you want. Thanks for watching guys,
and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.